Good morning, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. So I just placed an order through an app on my iPad Pro called Social Print Studio. So this is a very cool app. If you guys aren't familiar, you have one on your iPhone, iPad, Android, so either device or any device, you can access this app. So let's get to it. So this app right down here with a heart right next to the Plants vs. Zombies, we're going to tap that where it says Print Studio, and we're going to go into the app. So this app is essentially a print lab on your iOS device or your smartphone, which is very, very cool. And I sell a lot of my photo prints, and I did a farmer's market, for example, this weekend. I probably made $600 in 4 hours, and it took me maybe, energy to set up and break down, of course, but I sell a lot of my photos and a lot of my prints, and these little websites and apps and all kinds of different things you kind of play with are good little filler prints and items to sell. So like, for example, they have magnets in here. I sell the magnets as a little smaller kind of item. It's inexpensive. It gets people to buy. Maybe I'll pair it with a loose print, for example, and then you have a $50 sale, and you do that 20 times, you're really kind of having a decent morning. So again, fun to print. Very cool, different options. So we can go ahead and get started by clicking down here. I'm not going to try to make this a real long tutorial. It's pretty self-explanatory, but today, just so you guys are aware, I was actually going to do this tutorial. I started it last night and I just wanted to re-record because I was really spent last night and just went to sleep. But they have a solstice flash sale today, 25% off all orders over $75 or more. You always get free shipping over $50, but there's a code called LIGHT25. And basically, I had an $80 order. I put in that code. It brought it down to $60. And guess what? I sell a few little items. I basically broke even. And then everything else after that is going to be profit. So let's kind of show you how to make money and generate some income with your imagery. So we have a lot of different little items over here. We got photo journals. We got float frames. We have photo necklaces. A lot of fun kind of things to experiment with. But just try something. I ordered the classic prints, and one of my favorite items here are the magnets. So I'm going to click in the magnets, and we have different sizes. We got round ones that I believe are an inch. We have 2 by 2 inch, 3 inch by 3 inch square. So the square ones, to me, are just my flavor. That's what I dig. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go 3 inch by 3 inch, and we got 6 of these for $20. So guess what? I sell one of them for $20. And really no one barks because people know they're supporting a local artist. They know that your creativity, your creative vision are going into these. And it's not just like they're walking into Walmart or some big, huge store. They know they're supporting a local artist and they feel good about spending a little bit more to get something custom. So don't worry about it. Don't feel bad about it. You're not making a killing, you're just making a little bit of money, and that's how it should be. But again, you sell one of these for $20, and guess what? The next 5 are all profit, and that's what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue, and these are great to promote on Instagram, on Facebook, put them on your website, whatever it may be. But I guarantee if you start printing some and showing people some of these, put it on your fridge and take a picture of them, people will buy. And we're going to hit the little plus sign here, and we're going to get started. So I have some set aside in my favorite folder. I'm going to click one of my beautiful mom. I'm going to click one of this Batavia signs. So maybe you got some cool little things in your local area that people will like. I have a nice popular image over here, this little gate scene. I got a beautiful butterfly. Let me see. I have a succulent. This little pink guy, just visual-wise, it's kind of cool. This wave, hummingbird. People love cardinals. And what else? This windmill. And that's going to be it for now. And I'm going to go review. And I got 10 out of 12. It shows you on the top of this 10 out of 12 images. So I need 12 images or 12 basically that fill that number to get a proper order because each order is 6 magnets, remember? So I'm going to click here. We can tap. And then I can move my mom down a little bit, get her better in frame. Really cute picture of her. And then we got this little Batavia clock with some spring flowers. So this guy needs to be shifted over. So I'm going to click the image, move it over, Click the crop button on the bottom, and voila, perfect. This guy is centered. This is a popular print, so I'll add 2 of these. Butterfly looks pretty good. Maybe I'll do 2 of these because I know this is another popular image. People love butterflies, especially little girls and stuff. Wave, succulent, move this guy over a little bit. Hit crop on the bottom, and you see what we're doing. I'm going to actually move it over a little less. And pay attention to the details. That all helps out. You want to make sure you're not getting a part of the image that you don't want in there. I can enlarge this by spreading out the image. Crop. Now it's filling the frame a bit more. Maybe move this little guy down so his head's not getting chopped off. Cardinals are a really cool little bird. And basically, we add the cart down in the bottom. It says, I reviewed my photos and confirmed the cropping and quantities. Definitely. So now we have these at $40. And again, free shipping over $50. And today only, that solstice sale, we got 25% off any order of $75 or more. So why don't you guys do this? I mean, again, they're not paying me to do this. I just placed an order and paid out of my own pocket. So this is just me sharing with you. For under $100, why not make a couple $100 off of that? So spend $80 like I just did, put in the 25% off coupon, your total $60, and guess what? You sell 3 of these magnets for $20 a piece, you broke even, and then everything else in your order is all profit. So let's go ahead and keep shopping, and let's try something else. So again, I just ordered these little classic prints, and they look kind of cool. I've never ordered them, so kind of new to me as well. So they're little, I don't even know what size they are. They're 4x6 and 5x7 are the most popular. I don't even know what I ordered, actually. So say we do 5x5. We'll do a square print. We can go ahead and do 24 of these. And again, same kind of thing, favorite. Let me go ahead and just pick some different images. I'll do this, local imagery, cells for the area. So this show I'm doing is in Batavia. But people, even though they love the area they live, they really enjoy, for me at least, my nature stuff. They love my flowers, and that's just popular imagery. So review. Oh, I got 20. I need 24 of these. So what I can do just to save time is just kind of double everything up. 2, 2, 2. I'll do 1 of this guy. I'm going to move this guy over. Crop. Do 2 of those. We'll do this guy. Crop. Do 2 of those. And what else? 2 of those. And 2 of those. Oh, 1 more I need to get in here. Whoop. And then we should be done. I'm going to add photo, hit on the bottom. Everything is down below. This little gate scene I need. And the gate scene, again, I sell this a lot of times for a lot more money. So to have a little easy thing that someone can pick up for $20 or $25 or $35 or even $50 or something is not a big deal. So I'm going to add the cart. Definitely, I reviewed everything, reviewed the crop, so you want to make sure everything is the way you want it. And now we have $60. Again, we're still not at $75, but I'm going to go ahead and keep shopping, and I'm going to try one more thing. So I'm going to go into even more. I think this is where the pendants were. I'm going to go over here, and I like the circle one, starting at 24. I'm going to do the 1-inch one, continue, and let's see. I'm going to do something. Maybe this guy? Let me see what this looks like. No, it's cool in a way. Let's see. That is cool, but I'm going to try one other thing. I'm going to go over here, and I think I'm going to pick a butterfly picture. But again, it's kind of fun doing this. You can have fun with it, and ideally have some cool product to sell. So the next show I do, I'll have some new stuff. People will be all excited about it. And like that. That's kind of cool, right? So people would dig that. So I'm going to go ahead and add the cart, definitely. And now we have $86, and we're going to go check out. And I'm not going to put my payment info in right now, but I'm going to add a gift code, and we're going to add the gift code that is light 25. Apply, and it took $21.40 off, bringing my total to $64.50. And then we basically go over here, and then we place the order. And what happens after you place the order is, I'll show you, I'm not going to actually hit it, but I'll show you what I did last time when I just placed the order. It will go and do this. I did a little screen recording, and essentially we'll upload all the photos, just like it's doing here with a really cool little visual with these hearts. It's a lot of good vibes, kind of fun, and it takes a second, not a long time. Please wait a moment while we upload your photos and complete your order. Please don't exit the app. Strong Wi-Fi helps make things faster, so have a good Wi-Fi connection, and then you are done. And it processes the order. You get this little visual. Click out of there, and you see their little team. But again, just a fun app. Really cool, really creative, a great way to get some easy, inexpensive photo products and make a couple $100 right off the bat. So I'm hoping this helps, guys. Again, today, take advantage of the sale. It literally is just kind of a little sign of the universe to go ahead and do this video, because I don't know why, but they have a 25% off order, over $75 or more. So take advantage of it, try it out today, and start selling and making some money with your artwork. And hope this helps, guys. Aloha, and have a beautiful day.